How to make keto meat lover pizza cups. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 12 sliced deli-sliced Black Forest ham, 16-ounce ground mild Italian sausage, 12 tablespoons of low-carb tomato sauce, 3 cups fresh mozzarella cheese, 6 slices of cooked bacon, 2 tablespoons basil. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. Preheat oven to 375 F. 2. Cook the Italian sausage in a frying pan over medium to high heat. Cook until brown on all sides. 3. Using a cupcake pan, add the Black Forest ham deli slices to the cupcake inserts. 4. Add the sausage, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and bacon crumbled to the ham slices. 5. Bake in the oven for about a minute or until the cheese starts to melt. 6. Take it out of the pan and put it on a plate. Garnish with basil and serve immediately. The serving. This makes a total of 12 servings of Keto Meat Lovers Pizza Cups. Each serving comes out to be 278 calories, 20.4 grams fat, 3.3 grams net carbs, and 19.8 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.